Hello and welcome to Frank's School, 114th day, first video of the second year. I want to go on a little bit with charcoal. I looked into my books some, and let's start with Diderot, Denis Diderot's Encyclopedia of the Trades and Industry. Here is a plate that shows charcoal making. This would be about 1850 or so, or a little bit before. And I thought there were two plates. Yeah, here's another one. Now those piles of wood to be made into charcoal are very big, and what I saw in Switzerland and the work I've seen videos of in Germany were done like that. Now by the time that process got to the United States, they still made charcoal, and here's an illustration of a charcoal kiln, I'll call it. You can probably see that in America. Something that I didn't even believe. My neighbor Andy, that I talk about a good bit, he told me that they used to make roads out of charcoal. And I thought, that can't be, it's too valuable. But according to Eric Sloan, Vanishing Landscape, I'll tell you what that last book was. There it shows, you can maybe see that, the process of burning charcoal to be the surface of the road. I suppose that also discouraged any vegetation from coming back. This book that I just showed you is one of my favorites. Boy, it's so worn out. It was called Colonial Craftsman. I'm not sure if I've ever shown that to you before or not, but it is so worn out because I have used it so much. And when I talk about the trades, eventually I will in Frank's School, I'll refer to this book a good bit more. Okay, well, in the next video, the one that's going to come second today, I move on and leave the proposed charcoal burner's hut behind, and I go over to where the shaft mine entered, the very absolute clear evidence of a shaft mine. There's no denying it. Although it's caved in, you can't go in it. And you'll see the spoil bank. But I think I'll wait until tomorrow to talk more about that shaft, the iron mining itself. And I don't have too much more to say. I'm not expert on this. So to give you an idea of where we are, I've followed abyss up there. I saw the incline, or I showed you the incline. I followed a minecart track, went up to see the charcoal burner's hut, and still heading upwind of that, a couple hundred yards more, I come to where, probably not just one, but probably several. Well, I shouldn't say that, but one real dramatic mine shaft was there. Most of the rest of the mining here was open. And that's where I'll leave it. See you tomorrow.